Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's been a good trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Okay, so we're going to start off, with the candidate from our last update, which was Deere, was the only one that hit. Not a big move for us. But this was the setup right here on this day, right here, day with the orange bar. So if we go back, that was on the 25th. If we go back and look at a 1 minute chart on the 25th, you could see we pushed up, we failed, dropped, came back up, popped down, retested, bounced inside of here, took the bearish trade as we failed off of here, right, in there, and then it bounced, and we wound up dropping the rest of the day, and it didn't give us much. We wound up closing down. You see the candidates for today in there, but we wound up closing down a little bit. We were up $93.60. That gives us $18,894.96 for the year, 62 wins, 7 went against us, 69 trades in total for $273.84 combined. Per trade, for every single trade that we've taken this year, win, lose, draw. All right, so let's go look at our candidates for today. FUTU, F-U-T-U is the very first one. They're all in alphabetical order. All right, so what's going on with FUTU right now? I like where it's sitting. We're in more of the bearishness of it. I do like the bearish side a little bit better. So small move to the downside, retest the 174 and fail. If that happens, take the trade off of the 174.36. Stop is somewhere on the other side. You're going to have support at 162. My target's going to be right about 163, maybe even 164 because I've got so much room to the downside on this, right? For the upside, you've got to contend with the 21 moving average there. So small move up, retest, bounce, take the trade off of the bounce. Stop just on the other side. If resistance is at 188.5, my target's about 187. 186, again, somewhere in between there. Heck, 184 gives me a $10 bounce. So overall, really nice. SPGI, back on our list yet again. Right? This was a good trade the other day, $316.80 in our SIM account. So where are we now? We're sitting, and we've got about 20 minutes left until the market closes here. So we're looking at, here, let's do this. Let me unscrunch, let's bring this out so you can see the entire fib. Life is good. Just want to zoom in a little bit so we can get a better view. Okay. Let's actually stretch it out instead. So I like the downside better. We're in a bearish bias right now. Rank up 2 if it closed where it is right now. Small move down, retest the 485.29, fail, 475.56 is support. Means our target is going to be up here right about 478. 78.5, somewhere in there would be the target. On the upside, oh, I drew it in blue. Okay, I drew it backwards. Sorry. So anyway, for the upside, take the trade off of here with the stop just on the other side, right? For the upside trade, you're going to have a small move down, a bounce. We got resistance up here at 495. We're going to take the trade off of the bounce. Stop is down below 485.29. My target in this scenario is probably about 492. 491.5, somewhere in that range. And last is WDAY. So we get a bigger picture, see the entire fib. A little bit of an older Fibonacci on this one. Probably need to revisit drawing this again. But for right now, it's good. So let's bring it in a little bit more. I would prefer, because of the moving average order, I would prefer the bounce to the upside. So give me the move above the 241, the retest, and the bounce. Take the bounce. Right, stops down below 241. If we've got resistance at 251, my target's going to be right around 250, 249, somewhere in that area. For the downside, push down just a little bit more, retest and fail. Doesn't have to go all the way up, never does. Never has to make it all the way to the 241.22, just getting close. We're going to take the trade on the fail, stops on the other side, supports at 233. That puts my target at about 235. 235, 234.5, somewhere in that area. right? And there you have it, everybody. So we've got 20 candidates on our list today. I gave you 3 of those 20. To get access to all of those candidates, go over to tradewithrob.com, register for free. You'll get an email that gives you not only all the candidates every day, including days I don't do videos, where I don't record them, but you will get not only my candidate list of what we're looking at for today, you'll get screenshots of every one of my chart setups with the lines already drawn on them, the fibs on there, so you know exactly what to do following the rules in the over hour and 45 minutes of training that is set up in the members area for you as well. So have a great rest of your day. I will see you at our next one. Bye for now.